In today's video, we are going to talk about wombat wonders, 7 surprising facts you didn't know. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get into it. Number 1. Wombats are not actually bears. Although they look like little furry bears with their short legs and stout bodies, wombats are actually marsupials, which means they are more closely related to kangaroos than they are to bears. In fact, they belong to a group of marsupials known as proto-wombats, which also includes the now extinct marsupial lion. This group of animals are characterized by their thick fur, short limbs, and herbivorous diet. However, unlike their more famous marsupial cousin, the kangaroo, wombats never developed the ability to jump. Instead, they evolved to be excellent diggers, spending most of their time underground in the burrows they create. No, too, there are 3 species of wombat. The 3 species of wombat are the common wombat, the northern hairy-nosed wombat, and the southern hairy-nosed wombat, as their name suggests. The northern and southern hairy-nosed wombats can be found in northern and southern Australia, respectively. The northern hairy-nosed wombat is listed as endangered with only an estimated 3,500 individuals remaining in the wild. The southern hairy-nosed wombat is more widespread and more numerous, but is still considered vulnerable due to its small population size and declining numbers. The common wombat, on the other hand, is found in a wide range of habitats across eastern Australia and is not considered to be at risk. Despite their different names and locations, all 3 species of wombat are remarkably similar in appearance and behavior. They are all stocky, short-legged mammals with furry bodies and stubby tails. All 3 species are nocturnal and herbivorous, feeding mainly on grasses and other vegetation. And they all spend their days sleeping in burrows that they dig or take over from other animals that know. 3. Wombats have very few predators. Due to their burrowing habits, wombats have evolved to be surprisingly good diggers, which allows them to escape from many potential predators. Their claws are long and strong, which they use to dig through the soil and create tunnels and chambers in their burrows. These burrows not only provide wombats with a safe place to sleep during the day, but also help to regulate their body temperature. By burrowing, wombats can avoid the hottest parts of the day and keep cool in the summer months. In addition, their burrows can also provide some protection from the cold in the winter. Although wombats are generally solitary animals, they may sometimes share a burrow with another wombat, especially during mating season or when there is a potential threat in the area. In these cases, each wombat will create its own chamber within the burrow and only come out to forage for food. Despite their burrowing abilities, wombats can still fall prey to predators such as dingoes, foxes, and large birds of prey. However, because of their stocky build, wombats are less likely to be targeted by predators compared to other native Australian animals. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button to inspire us. Number 4. Wombats have a special digestive system. Wombats have specialized digestive systems that allow them to break down and digest cellulose, the main component of plant cell walls. This adaptation is key to their survival as herbivores, as it enables them to obtain the nutrients they need from plants, which can be tough and fibrous. And like many other mammals, wombats have multiple stomachs, and their stomachs have a complex series of chambers that are home to a variety of microorganisms. These microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, ferment the plant material in the wombat's stomach, breaking it down and allowing the wombat to absorb the nutrients. The process of fermentation also produces gases such as methane and carbon dioxide, which are released from the wombat's digestive system. One interesting aspect of the wombat's digestive system is its ability to slow down the passage of food through its gut. This allows for more complete digestion of the plant material and helps the wombat to extract maximum nutrition from its food. The digestive system of the wombat is truly remarkable, and its ability to digest cellulose is a key adaptation that has allowed it to thrive in its environment. Number 5. Wombats are crepuscular animals. This means that they are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. During these times, wombats are more active than any other time of the day and are often seen foraging for food. This behavior allows them to take advantage of the cooler temperatures during these times of day, which helps them to avoid the heat stress. In addition, by being active during dawn and dusk, wombats can also avoid many of their predators, such as dingoes and foxes, who are generally more active during the night. This crepuscular activity pattern is thought to be an adaptation that has helped wombats to survive in their environment. Number 6. Wombats have a unique defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator, wombats have a unique defense mechanism that they use to protect themselves. In addition to their strong claws and sharp teeth, wombats can also emit a foul-smelling liquid from glands near their anus. This liquid is thought to contain a variety of compounds, including sulfur-containing compounds and nitrogen-containing compounds. The exact composition of the spray is unknown, but it is believed that the smell is produced by bacterial overgrowth in the colon. This unpleasant odor is thought to be a way to deter predators and help the wombat to escape from danger. It is also possible that the spray may contain some antimicrobial properties that can help to protect the wombat from infection if it is injured. While the spray is not considered to be a true poison, it is certainly unpleasant enough to make a predator think twice before attacking a wombat. Number 7. Wombats have been hunted by humans for their fur. Wombats have been hunted by humans for their fur for many years. The practice began when European settlers arrived in Australia and saw the wombat as a potential source of income. The settlers began trapping and hunting wombats and selling their skins for profit. Unfortunately, this practice led to a significant decline in the population of wombats in the wild, as the demand for wombat fur increased. So did the number of wombats that were hunted. At the peak of the fur trade in the early 1900s, an estimated 100,000 wombats were being killed each year for their fur. However, as the fur trade began to decline in the mid-1900s, the demand for wombat fur decreased and the practice became less common. Today, hunting wombats for their fur is illegal in most of Australia, and the population has had a chance to recover. However, the impact of the fur trade on the wombat population is still felt today, and it serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting these animals. Wombats are fascinating creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. They are well adapted to their environment and have a number of unique characteristics that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to inspire us. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for upcoming videos. We hope you learned something new and we'll see you next time.